Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Love with Food tasting unboxing, and this is for September. So this is the smaller version of the box. I do have a bigger one. This one I think is only like $7 a month and comes packed with snacks. So the first thing I'm pulling out is savory rice snacks. This is sweet chili with roasted peanuts. That looks pretty good. I haven't had that before, so that seems interesting. We also have Epic Performance Bar. This is peanut butter flavored, non-GMO, dates, peanuts, cage-free egg whites, peanut oil, and sea salt. Yum. Also have Apple Ways granola, Simply Wholesome crispy bites. Ooh, this looks really good. This is a coconut macaroon by Poppy's Master Baker. Looks very delicious. Oh, I know I'm gonna love these. Georgia peach cookies, and they're bite-sized, and it looks like they're dusted in like the powdered sugar. Those are some of my favorite kinds of cookies, so gonna eat this before you even see this video. While I'm editing, it's probably gonna get eaten. Then we also have a little tiny pack of Snyder's mini pretzels. This is perfect for Jackson's lunch. I use a lot of these snacks because they're healthier to send with him to school now that he's in kindergarten. And the last one in here is turkey snack stick, natural cut. So that looks good. And then sometimes we do get advertisements and coupons in here. So at the very bottom, there's a HelloFresh one. I think I have a coupon code that's better. Maybe not. I'll put all that information below though, in case you guys are interested. And speaking of poor little Jackson, he actually just got out of the hospital. My poor little buddy got off the bus at 4 o'clock on Friday and was having a hard time breathing. And when he woke up the next morning, he was a little bit better. But I sent him to the doctor. I had Chris take him, and they thought he had a severe asthma attack. So they sent him by ambulance to a different hospital, which was really scary, and they found out that he had pneumonia. So like within a day, went from like he was a-okay to sick pneumonia. I had no idea it moved that quickly, but he's fine now. He's off his oxygen. He just got released to come home. He's doing really well. Just thought I would mention that because I know a lot of you guys ask about Jackson, and he's doing good. So if you haven't seen me post in a couple days, that's why. I will be back to a semi-normal filming schedule here soon. Just want to let you guys know that. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye!